Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I am tackling our fridge. As you can see, it is looking a little crowded, very messy, and there's a lot of expired things in here that I just want to clear out and just make it more organized. So I hope you guys enjoy as I clean my fridge today. So because I don't want to clear out everything completely all at one time and have the food left out on the counter for very long, I'm just taking it section by section. I feel like it's more manageable that way, and that way I can clear through each section door by door and then each side of the fridge as well. And so that way no food is left out for a long time and I don't have my fridge open constantly. And to clean the fridge, I'm using my favorite spray cleaner is the Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli, which I get from Grove Collaborative. And I'll link my code to get you 5 free products if you're interested to sign up with Grove Collaborative. But I find it to be the most, I didn't want to use anything harsh, chemicals in the fridge because there's food in there. So Caldrea is a perfect product to use for cleaning your fridge. And I also use a microfiber cloth, that way it gets all the crumbs up. I don't like to use a lot of paper towels on my fridge because it just leaves back that residue, so microfiber towels are definitely the way to go when you're cleaning your fridge out. And one little tip, if you have like a pack of water or soda, the easiest way to open it is to open both ends and then you just slide your hand through. And it places all of the cans on the shelf at one time instead of having to do it one by one. And now I'm just stocking it up with some waters as well. So here's the aftermath of cleaning out my fridge, which is a lot of expired items, packaging. So I need to sort through all of this mess after I get done. So on the left side, I just have condiments. Up top, I have my eggs, a roast that I'm cooking tonight, some waters. And in this drawer, I have all of my deli meats and some pork chops I'm cooking later this week. All my veggies in this drawer. And then the bottom drawer, I keep all of the cheeses, butter, cookie dough, cream cheese, and stuff like that. And above that, I just keep some fruit. So I have some gala apples, nectarines, and 1 avocado that I need to use up. And then I try to keep the fridge really stocked with waters, so I always am inclined to drink them because I love fresh, cold water. And then over on this other side, I have jelly, some chocolate syrup, and also some salad dressings and some sourdough bread. Thank y'all so much for flying by today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.